No, you do not say Alhamdulillah, although if one did do so instinctively, the namaz would not be invalidated. Okay? However, if you said Alhamdulillah instinctively, and your best friend over here, he says Yarhamukallah, okay, he says, oh mashallah, he said Alhamdulillah, I'll say Yarhamukallah, I'll give him a dua, then his namaz is invalidated. By saying Yarhamukallah in namaz, namaz invalidated.